Welcome to another video on investing in stock. In this particular video, I'll be talking about 5 growth stock for us to invest in the month of March if you have $1,000 in your bank. The stock market has presented us an opportunity for us to invest. A lot of organizations are losing grounds. They're in the red zone, and when they're in the red zone, it means a buying opportunity for ourselves. A whole lot of people without a plan are selling right now in this zone. This is not the time for us to sell. It's actually the time for us to capitalize, buy more, and increase our position in organizations that we actually own. Before listing this organization, I'll encourage you need to do your due diligence. Do not take my word for it. I'm not a financial advisor. I won't be doing an in-depth analysis just to keep this video short. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and smash the like button. Hit the notification bell because I'll be making videos like this going forward, giving you opportunities. Remember, I'm here to change your perspective and give you something that you can invest in going forward. The first stock on the list is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Now, Tesla, the design, develop, manufacture, lease, and sell electric vehicles. So for those of you under the rock that don't know what Tesla does, that's what they do. They're the giant when it comes to electric vehicles in the world right now. So Tesla made a whole lot of people millions in 2020, and a whole lot of people are still making money with Tesla. Even as at the start of February, they were actually selling high. Their stock was actually valued at about $883 as at the start of February, selling high, getting towards the 1,000 mark. All of a sudden, in the last 2 weeks, the market tanked, and it's like it's correcting itself. So Tesla, as at the 26th of February, closed at about $675. That's what it actually did close as of last week, which presents a good way for us, a good point for us to get into Tesla. For those of us that do not actually have a Tesla stock, it's going to ride back up and it's going to hit the $1,000 mark. It's going to go above the $1,000 mark. All you just need to do is do your due diligence about this particular organization, about Tesla. Do your due diligence before investing. So the second stock on the list is Palantir Technologies here. So Palantir Technology builds and deploys software platform for intelligence community in the United States to assist in counter-terrorism investigations and operations. So it offers Palantir Gotham, a software platform for government operatives in the defense and intelligence sector. So which enables users to identify patterns hidden deep in datasets ranging from signal intelligence sources to reports from confidential informants, as well as facilities the handoff between analysts and operational users, helping operators plan and execute real-world responses to threats that have been identified within the platform. So that's what they do. That is crazy stuff they do. Like, a whole lot of people are investing in this because of where they are right now and their clients. The major client is the United States government. Palantir has just signed a new contract. They have a good market cap. Like, the size of the market is 41.6 billion. As at one time, Palantir, as at the start of February, we're actually selling $40 per share. Now, like I said, the stock market tanked in the last 2 weeks and they're in the red zone as well, which means there's a buying opportunity for ourselves there. Palantir is actually selling right now for $23.90. That's what they closed as at 26th of February. So the market opens on Monday, the 1st of March, which presents a whole lot of opportunity for ourselves. We can get in real quick and tap into the market. Get yourself a Palantir share, get whatever stock you can if you have $1,000 in the market, and ride it up because the stock is going to ride up. That's it. So the third stock on the list is Microsoft. We all know what Microsoft is, except you're living under the rock. And I'm sure if you're living under the rock, you have Microsoft there. As long as you're an employee, a student, or you own a business, in one point or the other, you'll be using Microsoft. You either use Microsoft Word or Excel or PowerPoint. If you're working, you either use Teams. They're in competition with Zoom, Slack, and the likes. Like, Microsoft owns LinkedIn, Xbox. There's so many things. The cloud storage, like Outlook. Microsoft, they are at the forefront of technology. Right now, Microsoft has presented an opportunity. If you do not actually own a piece of Microsoft, they have an opportunity there for yourself right now for you to actually own. As at the 26th of February, they closed at the price of 232 thereabout. That's what they actually closed. In February, the same February, as at the start of February, they were riding as high as 245. Now, this is a dividend play as well, the pay dividend. So it's a good stock for you to add to your portfolio if you don't have one. And if you have one, this is an opportunity where you can actually expand your portfolio, expand your position, because it's in the red zone right now. So invest. You can get Microsoft, add it to the list. This is my third play on the list. The third growth stock I have for yourself. In no time, Microsoft will hit the 500 and up to the 1000 mark. The fourth on the list is Apple. Just like Microsoft, a technology play as well. So Apple, they've been in the industry for a while now, the first organization that did pass the 1 trillion mark, and Apple is still going to be here for a long time coming because of the kind of business they have when it comes to technology. They're on a cloud-based system. They have the iPhone, like even in the middle of a pandemic, they actually released the iPhone 12 and sold. Like, they're thinking about going to EVs right now, making electric vehicles for yourself. So that is a target they have for 2024, getting their first electric vehicle out. So they're working seriously hard. They're thinking of buying back some of their shares, which means their shares will grow. As at February, the start of February, Apple went all the way up to $145 per share. Now that has come down to 121 as at the end of February, the 26th of February. So it has given us an opportunity where we can actually buy and ride it back up. So the fifth stock on my list is a company called Blink Charging, ticker symbol BLNK, Blink Charging. Now, a whole lot of people talk about EVs. When they talk about EVs, we talk about Tesla, NIO. Blink Charging, through its subsidiary, owns, operates, and provides electric vehicles, charging equipment, and network EV charging services in the United States. So this is a big business for the future. Like, we're all looking at, everyone is looking at the cars, Tesla, NIO, and the likes, Nikola. No one is actually looking at how will these cars power themselves, how would they recharge themselves. So this is a good organization to get into right now. It's going to ride up. It's a growth organization. At one point in time, they were actually trading at $60. Now there's a pullback. It's in the red zone right now. As at the 26th of February, it did close at about $38.40 thereabout. That is on the 26th of February. So that is from 60 down to 38. Now this is an organization for the future. It's going to ride back up, and by the time it rides back up, it will get above $100, $200, $300 in years to come. Like I say, this is a long play. Think about it that way. Long play. Do not think short term in these organizations I've mentioned. Hold them long. That's the strategy here. If you're new to this channel, I will encourage you, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and smash the like button. Thank you for watching.